Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in Microsoft Edge. Whether you want to browse in your preferred language, practice a new one, or help someone else use their native language, this guide has you covered. First, open Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter which page you're on, just make sure the browser is active. Now, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots, also called the ellipsis menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. You might need to scroll a bit to find it. In the Settings tab, check the left-hand menu and click on Languages. This section is where all your language preferences live. If your preferred language isn't listed, click Add Languages, type the language you want, select it from the results, and hit Add. Once your language appears in the list, click the three dots next to it and select Display Microsoft Edge in this language. This tells Edge to switch its interface to your chosen language. Finally, to make sure the change takes full effect, close Microsoft Edge completely and reopen it. And that's it. You're now ready to browse in your new language. Changing your browser language is that simple, and it can really improve your browsing experience. Give it a try and enjoy Edge in the language that works best for you.